The museum's history with Fort Bragg dates back for many, many years, into the 1940s. Personally, my first involvement with Fort Bragg area was in the late 1960s. I was particularly interested in the reptile amphibians that occur in this wonderful longleaf ecosystem that's being maintained there. In particular, the eastern tiger salamander, the Carolina gopher frog were of interest of mine, in addition to the northern pine snake and the southern hognose snake. All four of those species are ones that we're greatly concerned about in North Carolina because of their declines, and Fort Bragg is maintaining some wonderful habitat for them. Of course, there are lots of other species there too, and fascinating things like the eastern coach whip and the beautiful scarlet king snake.
Soldiers training at Fort Bragg are surrounded by amazing plants and animals. More than one soldier has been startled by giant fox squirrels in the oak and longleaf canopy, squirrels the size of small cats. Soldiers in wet areas can see the mysterious Venus flytrap and elegant pitcher plants.
Fort Bragg's work with the federally endangered red-cockaded woodpecker is notable, and they should be applauded for their efforts. They've done a wonderful job of managing for that species and promoting their recovery on base. They have a huge number of colonies and nesting pairs. This is a key species in the longleaf pine ecosystem, because if you manage and do a good job with red-cockaded woodpecker, you also are doing a wonderful job with a wide range of other species that are typical of the longleaf ecosystem, which used to be a huge system in southeastern United States. It's been greatly diminished. It is an endangered ecosystem itself. But Fort Bragg protects a huge area of longleaf and these other species in association with that.